Hello everyone. Here we are going to talk about some important online data collection tools which are for free. So here you can see that freeonlinesurvey.com. So here you can collect that. That is, as a researchers, we have to collect the questionnaires in some point of time, and that is a one type of data collection method as well. Even the project students, like that is the third year or final year students, they have to go ahead for the questionnaire form. That is a questionnaire based collection method. Previously, before 10 to 12 years, we have been taking a printout and collecting from them, and then we have to sort it out. We have to do a manual entry, and then make it as a that is, we have to convert it into a word or an excel format, and we have to process the data. But now it become very easier here. Okay, so here you can see that is a free online surveys.com, where you can create your account and start making your online that is questionnaires here. So this is also used for creating the quizzes. So here you can see, if you are a teacher or a professor, you can go ahead with the online quizzes as well. You can share it with others, and then online polls, if you want to create an online polls, even you can create that. So simple, just click on the free online forms, and once if you click here, it will redirect you to this page, and then you can give your name and email and create a free account here. Okay, so once if you click here, you can create it and start working on it. If you want to know more about that is, I will just give you an overview of all these online collection method, data collection method. If you want to know about any particular online tool, then please let me know. Please drop a comment. I'll discuss how to create an account, and how to do the how to make a template, and collect it from your fellow members. So next we will proceed with the Typeform. So Typeform is also a survey tool. That is an online survey tool where you can find a format for that, and you can also synchronize that with the Google Sheet, Google Analytics, and many other tools. Okay, so simple, you have to sign up here, and then once you have signed up, it will send you an activation mail to your email, Gmail, or any mail ID, your mail ID, whatever you have given, and there you can start working on it. The third one is the surveymonkey.com. So surveymonkey is also a free questionnaire collection tool. That is a data collection tool, you can see here. So how you can create a survey, so simply click on create survey, and then it will redirect you to create a free account. So if you want to know more about this, please let me know. I'll tell you very clearly, like from the scratch. So next is the Jotform. Okay, so jotform.com is also a survey collection. It is if you want to collect the data. So it has its own templates. Okay, you don't want to start from the scratch, like you have don't want to just um, drag and drop everything and do it. There is some default template for that. You can use the template and send it to your friends. Okay, and the next one is the Google Forms, which is very famous around. So that Google Form, you can find it if you click here on this 9 dots, which is a Google app dot. So click here, and you can see the Forms app here. Okay, so if you click that Forms app, it will redirect you to this page, and if you click here blank, okay, if you click here blank, it will show up. So here you can see that you can just find how to do that. It is very simple. Click here, and you can find it will be adding more questions. Okay, and even in the Google Forms, you can find some template as well. So here you can see some templates. If you want to use this template, you can use it, or else you can create it from the scratch. And the final one is the form PL. Okay, so form, where what we are going to do is you can create the template. Even here you have various template. If you click on the banking form, you can find what are the template for this. And if you want to go with an education form, then you can click here, and there are various templates available here which you can use it for free. So even for this, what you have to do is you have to sign up. If you want to know more about this, just leave a comment. I'll definitely help you out, like how to start from the scratch. So these are the various tools which you can use for collecting the data, and making your data very perfect by pre-processing, and by making it mm, for your research purpose. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you bye bye, take care. I'll meet you with a different concept.